I recall a number of years ago I was out in Washington, D.C. visiting with a friend of mine who is an attorney also. We were law school classmates, and he was telling me how all the lawyers he knew were really unhappy. And I said, you know, you ought to come over to our conference. There's about 400 or 500 lawyers there that are very happy and really enjoying their work. Why is that? Well, it's because we get to help people. We work with elderly and disabled individuals and their families. We assist them in various aspects of their lives and help them through times of crisis. We work on issues relating to long-term care financing, to dealing with problems of relatives who are becoming increasingly incapacitated, and we help people plan in advance for those days. We do estate planning, we do advanced medical directives, advanced financial directives. We assist them in ways that help them to get through their very difficult times of their lives. I've remembered many occasions when I've had couples come in or spouses come in to me. One of the spouses has just had a severe medical event. They've gone to the hospital, they're going to be transferred to a nursing home, and they're going to be told that they're going to lose everything they have. I've had time to sit down with those clients and work with them. I also do a lot of work in the guardianship area, and that can be a very tough area of practice. Our clients, the proposed wards, the people that we're seeking guardianship over, have gone into mental and physical decline. Their family members need to take care of them, and again, they're not sure where to turn. One of the nice things about our practice is that we're able to help them work out these very difficult problems and assist them. Where I live in Wisconsin, long-term care, which is defined as care for chronic medical conditions as opposed to the kinds of things you get in the hospital, can run from anywhere from $2,500 a month in an assisted living facility to $6,000 to $7,000 a month in a nursing home. And because of that, people have to plan ahead. That really has to be an integral part of their estate planning. It's not enough to just simply figure out where your money's going to go when you die. You've got to figure out what's going to happen to it while you're alive. Secondly, you've got to plan for decision making if you're incapacitated. If you're not able to make your own decisions, you need to name somebody to make a decision for you. And the problem is that people often don't do that, and then we end up in guardianship court where it becomes much more difficult. Finally, you need to think about whether there's anyone with special needs in your family. If you have a child or a grandchild with some form of disability, a mental disability, a cognitive disability, even a severe physical disability, you've got to figure that you're going to be planning for those folks and helping those folks well after you're gone. And for that reason, that's the third major thing that you really need to think about in your estate plan and often gets neglected. An attorney that's well versed in these areas can assist you in making these kinds of decisions and making these kinds of plans.